Hello, we're going to go through some more functions here. All right, as with some of my other sheets, you can see here that the columns are too narrow. So we're going to highlight these, double click. You can clean up the formatting if you would like, which I always like to do. I'm going to center all of these. I want a little more space, so I'm going to grab these, adjust them. All right. Maybe this is dollars, so we'll convert this to dollars, and we'll adjust all of these again. Maybe I want dollars, but I do not want decimals, so I can do that. Oh, we lost our dollars. There we go. Okay, some of the basic functions we're going to use, we're going to calculate the minimum, maximum, sum, and average. I'm going to control copy, control C. I'm going to paste special, transpose. All right, so I'm going to calculate the minimum for the year 2011 equals min, open parentheses, highlight, close parentheses, equals max, same thing, equals sum, same thing, and equals average, same thing. I can simply highlight all of these, and I can grab this called the autofill handle, drag that over, equals min. Here's another way I can autofill this way, and I don't want the min of those, equals max. Double click, sum,
you know, because that's all the women's side, and I think they do a lot of gifts and stuff during that.
average. All right, and I can autofill these down. Now I've calculated all that information for each year, and also each month, and also each year. Now if I wanted to do that for the entire table, I could say equals min equals max equals sum equals average All right, we can change this so that there. Okay, the other thing I want to add to this is conditional formatting. So this is kind of hard to read. There's a lot of information here, but if I click on this, we can see that the larger numbers show up in a darker green and the lower numbers show up in a darker red. So we can see our highest months here and our lowest months there. All right, that's it for this video. More to come.